So to get the serpentine belt off, we're going to use a T50 Torx bit, and you're going to want to use a ratchet or a breaker bar, something with some leverage. Okay, make sure it's on there. So you want to look for any cracks, dry rot. This is actually a new belt. It was put in last fall, so it's a keeper. So now I'm going to take the alternator off. There's a bolt underneath this cap on this pulley here. This is a 16 millimeter bolt. We've also got a 17 millimeter back here on the battery terminal. There you go. So again, fairly new. I think I put this on last fall. Got one more 15 millimeter tucked underneath of the tensioner pulley. Probably can't see that one. There we go. So there you go. That's a 16 millimeter, by the way. Not a 15, it's a 16. Okay, so you can take a 17 millimeter and pop this guy loose. Plastic nut. And then there's your battery cable. I'll go ahead and put this nut back on so I don't lose it. Alright, let's see if we can pry it off here now.